even lemon growing on the ground right here. But you have to get aggressive with this thing. Have taste?
I don't want to taste it, but you can.
All of them have sorrel. Have this beautiful flower here.
It's island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, I'm beautiful people. So from you see the title and you see the thumbnail, you definitely know what this video is all about, yeah? So if you're new, I am a Jamaican living in Australia, you know what I mean, almost 4 years now. And I have another surprise here. If you all been following up with my videos, you would have seen that I plant sorrel in the garden. And now we have sorrel. You know, for a while they've been growing and I haven't been showing them, but they're actually at a good size right now. So take a look at this. And these are just the smaller trees. If you notice, these are the bigger trees right here. But even the smaller trees have sorrel on all of them. This one right there have sorrel. So right now we're in for a good time with these sorrel, honestly. Like all of them have sorrel. Have this beautiful flower here come out. Lovely. Yes man, and also the yam is doing extremely well. Yam all the way to the top. So these are all the well cut drums that I put the yams in. I even have tomato here that I can harvest. So a bunch of stuff growing in between. And yeah man, yam them. Lovely. Got these sorrel over on this end. So this was the first sorrel tree that I saw with sorrel on it. So it obviously have the bigger ones. If you look close you can see them. Yeah man, so right now we have sorrel standing out right now. Another one right there. They're just loaded, honestly my people. I'm super excited right now. If we go over here we'll see the same result. All of these doing extremely well right now. So yeah my people, I'm excited. Sorrel in the garden again. Everywhere. This right here, that's my gongo. Another one right there, but as I said, I doubt they'll grow in winter, so these won't be ready. You know, they were planted early, but at the same time we got a lot of rain, which they were stagnant at first, struggling to grow. You know, even the sorrel at first they were struggling until all of the rain stopped, and then they just start flourishing. So I was at first of the season I was struggling a bit with a lot of stuff, you know, and that's why I even, you know, start getting containers and stuff like that, which really helped. But yeah, it's been some dry weather now as of lately, and this is actually February is coming to an end, so that means summer is coming to an end, so steps in autumn next month. And also we're feeling the cold already, you know, the temperature have dropped already, so yeah man. But look at even the cassava people. Tell me that's not beautiful. Yeah man, they're really flourishing. Few corn there. And so I think them look good, my people, I'm not lie. And even yesterday we had a cane, the whole family had a cane together, and this is the result of that. You know what I mean, everyone we stand right here and eat, Highland, Ocean, Babes, you know, all of us. And look at the lemon, my people. Can you see that lemon are like everywhere? loaded. Non-stop lemon, just right round and around. Gonna have to cut the top of it because it's growing too high now. But yeah, man. And I have some basil right here. Plant that recently as well. Oh, this dragon fruit. I wonder why this is turning yellow. I hope that's not falling off or something. But yeah, dragon fruit them coming up. See that right there? That's what's destroying all of my plants. These little caterpillar. I'm gonna get rid of you. Best believe. So now take a look at that dragon fruit they're opening up. The flower about to open. So it was 3 of them and 1 died, which is that one. But these 2 are looking beautiful, which eventually will become dragon fruits once they're pollinated. So yeah, beautiful, man. It just looks unreal, these things. These ones haven't pushed out any, but still I'm grateful this one does the job. Take a look at this for people right on the roadside. Just stumble upon this and I actually did a Google search on it, and it's called strawberry guava. Literally. Is it? Does it have taste?
I don't want to taste it, but you can.
Does it taste
It smells nice.
Oh, it smells like guava.
Yeah, bitter.
Oh,
Try
it
it.
does smell like guava.
I just cut it open.
Oh shit.
Oh, sorry guys.
Now it's trying.
It's actually sweet. It legit tastes like guava.
Nice, pick a few then and take it home, wash them. We can eat them.
That is amazing.
Give to babe.
Island, try.
To Island.
That is crazy.
That is crazy.
Do you reckon you can cut a seedling?
I wonder.
Mom, can I eat this?
Wow.
Mom, can I
That
eat
is
this?
crazy.
Mom, can I eat this?
Yeah.
Look at them.
Eat it. Alright. No,
Strawberry guava.
I'd rather wash the thing, but
The trees are growing right there.
well, you can probably grow them, maybe.
It's like
Yeah.
a little bit sour.
Strawberry guava. And they don't grow bigger than that. Very small. I wonder, it seemed like it just grew random here, eh? Because it's just right on the roadside. Yeah. Okay, the dragon fruit opening up. You can see that. This one is not open as yet. By tomorrow this will be wide open. You can see down in there. Trying to focus inside, but anyway, there you go. Wow, good morning again, my people. Just come outside and you can see that from a distance. That's a dragon fruit, just brights up the whole place. It stands out. Oh my god, that is amazing. So the flowers are out. Take a look at that. Just took 1 night to open up. It's like it's like something you just wanna have at the front of your house. That's what it looks like. Legit, it's beautiful. It is a new day and it's after 6 in the morning. It is a Sunday And what I'll be doing this morning is, first thing first, this tree here is a citrus. Ask me what kind, I don't know, to be honest. So this history about this is that didn't plant it as usual. Sometimes would eat an orange or something, I would just throw it here, you know what I mean, and yeah, it just becomes a plant, you know what I mean, and it's been growing here over time and it's now this big. But normally is a trick to this where you could crush this up, smell it, and you know exactly what it is. But for some reason, you know, sometimes I could tell, oh, this is a lemon, this is an orange, or you know, but this one, it's very confusing. My wife smell it as well, and we just can't give an answer to the scent, you know what I mean. So yeah, but if you all know, maybe you guys can tell exactly by looking at it, but I cannot tell exactly what type of citrus tree this is, you know what I mean. But anyway, it's getting big here, and this is just not ideal for here, so I'm gonna be putting it somewhere over there, yeah, and see what kind of citrus this is. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to dig it out. And also I'm gonna be trimming up the lemon tree over there, just cutting the top so it doesn't grow too high and just keep on a level. Yeah man, so that is that. The morning is quite chilly. It's been foggy this morning, it's just because it's cleared up a bit. But yeah man, beautiful day. You can hear the birds in the background as usual. Hopefully it's not hard to dig. It's probably sent a root so far down. There was a big root left back, but got it out. Let's see my people. Nice citrus, whatever it is. I have a nice little spot here already, so I'm gonna plant it here. I did already plant something here, but it never came, so the hole is still left back. It's pretty easy to dig. Maybe a bit deeper. This should do. Come on. Is it? So take a look at this, my people. I have the first bees of the morning come to pollinate the dragon fruit. Wow, that is amazing. That is so amazing. That means I'll be having dragon fruit, my people. Look at it work. Is that my people? Lovely. So whatever it is, we'll find out in due time. Now that lemon over there needs to be. Alright, so this what I have here is for cutting this lemon tree. It's a brand new cutter, and fun fact is that this is my very first time using one of these. You know what I mean? So my wife bought this, and yeah, so we're gonna use it, trim up this tree, right? So we take my first cut. Right, that what me do. Oh yes man, very first one ever. Alright. Like you have to get aggressive with this thing. Some of them here feel stubborn. Alright. We have to keep it on a level, you know. I won't be cutting the branches with lemon on it. Like this now, it just really stands out in the way. Have to be careful of the spikes. Should be wearing my gloves as well. Just a bad habit of mine sometime. Go get my gloves. And I know I'm calling it a cutter, which I don't think I'm really that wrong, but they call it like a edge shears, you know what I mean, or edge trimmer. But yeah, they're really good. Getting really taller than me. These are just fresh or young branches. Like even this doesn't have anything. We're almost done already. It's not really a lot to cut away. There's a lot of bugs in here as well. Don't know what kind of bugs they are, but they live in the lemon tree. And this is the main one in the center here. Yeah, that's the center branch. Have to try and get in here. A bit stretchy because this branch is in my way, but I can get it. Cut these. Oh my god. Can you all see that lemon? I just cut the branch and I cut the lemon as well. That is crazy. Just need this one here. There we go. Got him. Right. Scotch and just smooth it up a bit. Still have a few standing out here though. Can get this one. There we go. You can see even lemon growing on the ground right here. That just shows you from ground to the top, loaded. It's like an addiction. You just feel like you want to cut everything, you just want to get everything in a perfect shape. It feels good. I feel like I could work at a barber shop. Who wants to hire me? This is my tool though. Have to go through and take out these branches that are stuck. That's it. Alright, seems like I got out most of the branches that were stuck. People. So I won't need to cut it for a while. Again, that's the lemon there that I accidentally cut. Alright, so that's it for today's video, and I hope you all enjoy watching, you know what I mean, and stay tuned for more videos. And yeah, let me know what you think about today's video. Blessings all the time. It's Island Boy, Africa. I'm out.